This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn some programs of GW basic programming language. So first program today we're going to learn is how to write a program to calculate the volume of a cylinder. The program should get the values for height of the cylinder and the radius of its base from the user through input statement. The hint is volume is equal to 3.14 into radius into radius into height. So this is the formula which is actually used to calculate the volume of a cylinder. So to write this program we will use the interface of GW basic programming language. So here we are. We're going to type the program to calculate the volume of a cylinder. So first we'll type the line number 10. We'll type RAM and type this program will calculate volume of cylinder. Line number 20 will type CLS. At line number 30 we'll type input and type enter. The height of a cylinder then we'll put a column and then we'll type double quotes and put a comma and then type height, variable in which the value of the height will be stored. At line number 40 we'll type input and type enter. The radius of a cylinder and we'll use a variable radius to store the value of a radius in it. At line number 50 we will type area equal to 3.14, the same formula which we have just discussed before. Radius into radius into height. At line number 60 we will type print area of a cylinder is area. At line number 70 we will type E and EN. So this is the program we have already discussed that input statement is used to take the input from the user while after the program execution. So whatever is mentioned with input or print statement and enclosed in the double quotes will be displayed on the screen as they are typed. So the enter, the height of the cylinder will be shown on the screen, and this variable height is used to store the value of the height which will be given by the user. Likewise, this line number 40 input statement is again used, and the purpose is that enter the radius of a cylinder, this message will be displayed on the screen because it's enclosed in the double quotes, and after comma the variable radius is used, so the value of the radius given by the user will be stored in the variable radius. So here is, you can see there's an assignment operator equal to sign, and at the left hand side area is a variable which is used to store the whole formula, and the formula at the right hand side is 3.14 into radius into height. So the whole formula calculation will be stored into the variable area, and in the end the print statement is used to display the output of the program. So the area of a cylinder is up to ... colon enclosed in the double quotes will be displayed on the screen, and a semicolon is used to give the space, and then area, the formula, the whole formula calculation will be displayed right over here. So we first save the program. So for that purpose we will press the F4 key and then type volume .bas is the name of the program, and then we will load it. We'll type the F3 key and then type vvol.bas. Now we'll run it, so we'll press F2 key. So it has to give enter the height of a cylinder, so we'll give over here 7. The radius of the cylinder is 3. So here is the area of the cylinder. The output of the program is 197.82, which is the value stored in the variable area is now displayed right over here. So this is the program to calculate the volume of cylinder. Likewise, now we will learn one more program, and the program is, so here's the other program we are going to learn today is how to write a program to compute the square of a given number. The program should get the number from the user through input statement. So now we're going to type the program in the interface. So viewers, here we'll type the program to calculate the square of a given number. So at line number 10 we'll type RAM and type this program will calculate square of a given number, and at line number 20 we'll type CLS, at line number 30 we'll type input, we'll type enter any number for square calculation. So we will give a variable name num. At line number 40 we'll type and we'll take a variable let. So let is an optional statement for assignment operation. You can use it or not, or you don't use it, there's no problem. So we'll use a variable sqr square for calculating the square of the number, and we will type num caret so this is the symbol caret which is used to calculate the square of the number, and here we'll type the value to, because since we only need to calculate the square, so we will type num caret means exponent 2, and at line number 50 we'll type print square of the given number is we will use here semicolon because it gives only one space, and if you give comma then it will give 5 different spaces, so we'll use only semicolon and type SQ. Now the formula of calculation of the square calculation of the number, given number, is now stored in the variable SQ, so we will type SQ over here, which now contains the square of the number. At line number 60 we will type E and N. Now we're gonna save this program, so we will press the F4 key. Here we will type sqr.bas, the name of the program. We'll press the F3 key and type again the name of the program, sqr.bas. Now we'll run this program. So it asks you to enter any number for a square calculate. So we'll give the value of 5 and the answer is 25. So viewers, we have discussed two different programs. The first one was the write a program to calculate the volume of a cylinder. The program should get the values for the height of the cylinder and radius of its base from the user through input statement. The volume, the formula for volume calculation was 3.4 into radius into height. And the other program we discussed today is write program to compute the square of a given number, which we have just discussed the program in the idea of GW Basic, and we just gave the value of 5, and the square calculation was the value of 25. We have just noticed it from on the screen as an output. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my videos and liking my videos.